This is one of the main reason why some of people is afraid to start vlogging or content creation because of this kind of bad comments or bashing. And yes, vlogging is normal nowadays and also bashing, no? So ang dami mambabash sa'yo if you do vlog. Actually, hindi siya nag-direct comment doon sa profile ko. So nabasa ko siya sa page, which is doon ko shinare yung aking vlog. And he always commented on my vlog negative thoughts. Bihira lang ako mag-react sa mga gantong comments, sa mga bashing. And I felt sad, of course. So nalungkot ako dun sa comment niya kasi I don't know, every time na may ipopost akong vlog, so he commented. And content creation or vlogging is normal lang yan sa atin, no? So madami gumagawa ng vlog, karamihan is gumagawa na ng content. But I felt really sad for this kind of comment, no? And hindi ko alam kung ano yung pakiramdam niya sa pag pinapanood niya yung vlog ko. And hindi ko alam kung ano yung dapat na maging reaction ko. Kailangan ko ba siya patulan? But no, I actually do block. And kasi I don't want negative thoughts for my vlog. I'm doing self-improvement, no? I just want to inspire young men out there to inspire their self-improvement. And I just want to document myself here and abroad. I just want to share with you guys creating good habits and improving myself. And this kind of comments is actually it's not affect me, no? So marami nang babash din naman sa akin. Meron and hindi ko lang sila pinapatulan. I'm here in social media, I'm here in content creation. That's why I embrace what negative thoughts na ibibigay nila sa akin. Kasi may kanya-kanyang opinion naman tayo, di ba? Kung ayaw nyo ba sa self-improvement ko, ayaw ba mag-share ako ng good habits for the young men out there na ma-inspire ko, no? If you don't want my vlog, it's okay. Just skip and watch another video. And if you like, thank you very much. I don't focus on the bashing. I don't focus on the negative thoughts. I focus on the people who loves me, who supporting me, who appreciate me. Kaninang umaga nga, meron nag-message sa akin na ito yun. Si Sir, nag-message siya sa akin. So, I'm very thankful. I'm very glad to read your message, no? And, by the way, my name is Jao. Baguhang OFW dito sa Hungary, no? First time ko maging OFW. And, I'm just documenting my life. My self-improvement journey here in Budapest. And, just creating good habits. And, pag uwi ko ng Pilipinas, meron akong papanoorin ng mga video, ng mga good memories, di ba? And yun lang guys, day 42 natin ngayon, day 42 of our Project 50. Malapit na tayo mag day 50. And I'm so thankful lang sa mga sumusupport sa akin, of course. Sa mga followers ko na silent viewers and sa mga nakakilala sa akin na yun, alam nyo na kung sino kayo.
Merry Christmas!
Basta yung may challenge siya.
Thank you po sa panonood. Thank you po Ingat po kayo lagi. Bye-bye po.
Bye-bye!
Kakain po. Bye-bye po. Ingat po kayo. I'm very glad, I'm very thankful for all of you guys who supporting me, who appreciate my efforts, who appreciate my vlog, who appreciate my contents. Thank you very much guys, and I hope that we met someday. Kita-kita tayo dito sa Budapest and mag-take photos tayo. Kasi yun, para meron naman tayong mga memories and experience, no? So yun lang guys, yun lang yung ating day 42 of our Project 50. Yun, avoid negative thoughts. So thank you very much guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to follow my page, Jao King. Bye bye, love you. See you tomorrow, follow for more. Bye bye. God bless.